Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And now in this tutorial I'm gonna show you or the explain about the comparison operators. What are the comparison operators and how it works. Okay, so let's watch this video till the end and let's get start this video without wasting any time. So let's go ahead. So let me first tell you what are the comparison operators. If we need to compare two values, then we uses the comparison operators. And in C++ if we need to compare two values, then we use comparison operators. In other words, we can say comparison operators are used to compare two values. Okay, so here is a little example for this. We have int x, two variables x and y, their data type is int, and I have int x equal to 10 and int y equal to 7. And here in the cout function I have cout x is greater than y, and it returns true or the value 1 cause 10 is greater than 7. Its condition, this condition is true. Okay, so let's go and let's discuss about some types of the comparison operators. So these all are the types that are the equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal to. So that is the equal to, we have the two variables x and y. The value of x is 7 and the value of y is 5, and x is equal to y, then it returns false because these both variables are not equal to each other. And x is not equal to y, it prints true because both variables are not equal, it's true. And x is greater than y, yes, 7 is greater than y, it's true, it's false, and it's true and it's false. So let's go ahead, I will explain them into the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so jump to the VS Code and now let's write the program here as include. Okay, and the IO stream using namespace std. Okay, and the int main, and let me I will take two variables. Okay, wait. Int a equal to 8 and the okay wait and int b equal to 5. Okay, and just go ahead, cout, and here in the cout function I will use the function, the operators, all the comparison operators. First is a is equal to b. Okay, and then make it e and d and l, and let's make it duplicate 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. Okay, and the x is not equal to b, and a is greater than b, a is less than b, and a is greater than or equal to b, and a is less than or equal to b. Okay, so let's go ahead and execute the program, and let me use return 0. So let's go ahead guys and execute the program, and let's see what will be the output. 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so let me explain what is happening inside the code. Okay, here we have two variables. Okay, let me close this. Two variables. First is the int a, that's value is 8, and the second is int b, its value is 5. So as we know, a and b is not equal to each other. Okay, because their value is not same, so it will be returned false. It means 0, a equal to b, and the as we know, these all are the not equal to each other, then this one will be going true. It means 1, it returns the value 1. And this cout a is greater than b, yes, because the value of a 8 is greater than the value of b 5. Okay, so it returns 1. And after that C out A is less than B. As we know, the A is greater than B, so that can't be less than to B, so it returns false. This statement will return false. Okay, and the C out function second, that is the A is greater than or equal to B. It means A should be greater than to B or equal to B, then it also be true. So it means A is greater than 5, sorry, B or the 8 is greater than 5, so it will returns true or the 1. And the C out A is less than or equal to B, and in this case A is either neither equal or less than nor less than to B. Okay, so if I change it, just wait, if I change it to also 8, now this statement will go true and also this will true. Okay, and all other will be false. So let's go ahead, let me increase the size of this. What happened? Just execute this again. C out what happened? C is less than or nothing, everything is okay. Okay, just look here, 1 is true, first statement is true, it means this one, cause these both variables are equal to each other. And second is also true, A is not equal to B, no, second is false. Okay, second is false, and the also third is false, and the also fourth is false. And it is true, X is greater than or equal to B, and also it will true. Okay, these three statements are true, these true, these two true, and this one true. Okay, cause A is equal to B, and also A is equal to B. Here we have equal to for in the both cases, and also this one. Okay, so I hope guys this video is helpful for you, and if this is helpful for you, so then make sure you have liked this video and share it with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, so make sure guys you have subscribed my channel for never miss any future updates. And thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you are new, then please subscribe this and also like my video. I will see you again in the next time.